Hey guys, what's up? We're back with another video, and today we are playing a real classic that all the OGs will get. Build a boat for treasure. Yo, back in my peak days, I used to play this a whole ton. This is gonna be so nostalgic. Bro. No. Oh my gosh. So much nostalgia. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Why are you... Ah! So nostalgic. Oh my gosh. Bro, what is this tutorial doing? Okay, I'm just gonna stop doing the tutorial. I already know how to play this game, guys. So, we're gonna create an OG boat. Everyone will know this one. That's right. It's the raft. We're doing the raft, guys. This boat is so familiar. Okay, time for the little motor on the back. There we go, perfect. And the little chair. Let's see how long this one lasts us. Launch. We got rocks up ahead, Captain. This boat isn't steering itself. Guys, this is easy. Nah. Okay, so after that, I rebuilt the boat, and now we're steering pretty well. That first time was just a practice run. It was just a practice run. Trust me. No, why did I do that? No, nah! Okay, so I made another ship, and to be honest, it kind of is the Infinity Gauntlet. We are going to get that treasure. Also, that other one, that ship that I might have jumped out of, that was a practice run. Just so you guys know. Also, make sure to comment down below what I should play next. Maybe another OG game. Oh, we're taking hits. Got this. We made it! Ooh, this one's gonna be hard. Meow, meow, meow. Ooh, yikes, we took a hit right there. We got this. Ooh, sheesh. My drip. Oh, we're cooked. We are actually definitely cooked. Ooh. Ding, 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 ding. We've lost the engine! We're dead! Mayday! 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 What? Mayday! Wait, that actually looks like a clear path. Shoo. Me. Shoo. Ah! We took some damage, but other than that, we're fine. That was a close one. Uh-oh. Chat, we're cooked. We made it to the bowling ball. We made it there. We got 48 diamonds. I mean gold. Okay. I'm gonna buy a rare chest. Yeah. Guys, this ship's gonna be so sick. Okay, so we made a better, bigger ship. We're going to war. I love how you can just like drive the ship if you want. Like, Leo! Bro, I'm about to turn into a transformer. Bro, this ship could do better. So, it could be worse. We lost a few blocks and the engine as well, and I think we might not make it. Oh yeah, we're cooked. Ah! I made it to Cherry Realm. Well, if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and smash that subscribe button. Leave a comment as well, and we'll see you next time. Make sure to let me know if you want to see more OG. Bye!